Okay, for my inference analysis, my independent sample test 1, this is the independent sample test for my first question. The first question is the mean frequency of education level different difference from the mean frequency of expected loss of work in the next 4 weeks. The null hypothesis is that there is no difference between the mean frequency education level and mean frequency of expected loss of work. The alternative hypothesis is that there's a difference between the two mean frequencies. Since the p-value is 0.0 is much smaller than alpha 0.05, we can reject the null hypothesis. So we can conclude that there's a statistically significant difference between the mean frequency of education level and the mean frequency of expected loss of work in the next 4 months at a significant level of 0.05. And then for my question 2, this question is does the mean frequency does the number of total people currently living in their household, including yourself, affect how confident you are that your household will be able to afford the kinds of food you need for the next 4 weeks? The null hypothesis is that the number of people do not affect if you were able to afford food in your household for the next 4 weeks, and the alternative hypothesis is the opposite of that. Since the p-value is also 0.0, it's much smaller than the 0.05 alpha, we can reject this null hypothesis.